Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with a new topic, that is Practical Geometry, Chapter 4 from 8th class NCERT. In previous classes, 6th and 7th class, you already learnt about the geometry. Here we are going to do practical geometry. So practical geometry is nothing but we are going to construct a geometrical things. Especially in this chapter we are going to do constructing quadrilaterals, what we have studied in a previous chapter. So this is construction of quadrilaterals. This chapter belongs to most of these things. So before going into the introduction, we know quadrilaterals and we know about the geometry also. In earlier classes you already learned of the construction of triangle. That means it makes three angles and with the three sides. So we know it is a triangle. How we are making a triangle construction? Take a base, let it be AB, and B has some making an angle like the 45 degrees, and AC has a 4 centimeters, etc. So then we do with a compass and we join this line AC. So it is a triangle ABC with a given lengths and angles. So this is a construction of a triangle. But coming to the quadrilateral, we have four sides and four angles. So this is the one type of quadrilateral, and this is also one type of quadrilateral. This is also another type of quadrilateral, and square is also, and there is a kite also there. This is a special type of a quadrilateral, and trapezium. So these are the quadrilaterals we already learned in our previous classes and previous chapter also. So here in this chapter we are going to learn about the construction of quadrilaterals. All are these. Those are rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, square, kite and trapezium. So here rectangle. In this case rectangle, we have four sides. These two are equal and these two are equal. We have four right angles and two diagonals. They are bisecting each other. So in case of this, we have to construct a rectangle. There is a chance of giving two. Question is if they are given as a equal lengths and equal breadths, or in case they have to give a angle. This rectangle have a 490 degrees. So four right angles. So we have constructed easily. Next, coming to the parallelogram also. So these two are parallel and these opposite sides are parallel. There is a diagonal also. So by these, where is a one side and by angle or a diagonal. All these cases have to give side, angle or a diagonal. These are must and should for the construction of a quadrilateral. In case of special cases like a square and a rhombus, we know that is square have all four sides equal and have 90 degrees. So here is a chance of given with the one side. So then we have to construct a square. In case of rhombus also, there is a, if in case they give a diagonal. So diagonals are equal to each other. So if they give one diagonal, so we have to construct a rhombus also. These two are special cases of a construction of quadrilaterals. But among these two remaining four, 1, 2, 3, 4, those are rectangle and a parallelogram and a kite and a trapezium. We know that is if any angle and if any sides or all sides and one angle or a diagonal or another side given, so we have to construct with each case. There are 5 cases in this construction of quadrilaterals. So let's see, that is A. When four sides and one diagonal are given. So in this case, four sides and one diagonal are given. In this case, here four sides given. So let it be example. Let it be four sides like A, B, C, G. So here AB and BC and CD and DA, like this seems to be let it be a rectangle. So this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. If one diagonal are given, either A or C or A, B or D, let it be BD. So BD. So these are given. So we have to construct a quadrilateral. By using these, we construct rectangle easily because of in a rectangle we have 4 right angles, right? So we have to choose one base and make a 90 degrees here, here also 90 degrees, and make a diagonal with this. Here is the point, and measure the length of one side, and it is because of opposite sides are equal in a rectangle, then we have to move this line to get a parallel line to this line, and it is also equal to the one of the base we taken. So this is the construction of rectangle with the 4 sides and one diagonal. This is just example. Next case is case B, when two diagonals and 3 sides are given. 3 sides are given. So see this, in this case 2 diagonals and 3 sides. So if you want to construct a parallelogram, for example, or a trapezium also, so let it be angle diagonal PQRS. So 2 diagonals, that is nothing but a trapezium. I am taking example trapezium as example. So PQ one side and 2 diagonals. So Q, from Q and from P we have to measure the angles with the help of compass. Then we have to draw these 2 lines, and another side also given. So here we have to put the another angle. So another angles is so like that. So sorry, this is the construction of a parallelogram. For example, I tell you that is a trapezium also. This is the example of when 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given. Next, coming to the C, another type, when 2 adjacent sides, when 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given. So 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles, take another parallelogram, let it be RSTU. So here construct with the 2 adjacent sides and make 3 angles from here and here, make like this, and another angle also from here. So here we get a point. So this is RSTU. This is the one type of construction with the 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given. Next, coming to the D, when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. Here we know about the angles, but included angles is nothing but if you take a base like this, here is the one angle right angle, and here is the another angle like 30 degrees or a 60 degrees, etc. Then we have to construct a quadrilateral like this. So next, coming to the E, this is the special type of properties. So when other special properties are known. I already told you these 2 are special type. One is rhombus and the other one is square. If they given one side, we have to construct a square easily because of once all sides are equal in a square, and also we have 4 right angles in a square, then we have to construct easily with the one side to a square. Next, coming to the rhombus also, this is the easiest way to construct a quadrilateral with a rhombus also. So these are about the construction of quadrilaterals in our practical geometry. And this is for now. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box and click like button, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.